No, 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 no.
Tony, you're not a grocery. What are you doing?
Hey man, you wanna stop?
Absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
I'm so fond of the boy.
Dave, I love you. Oh.
You're a little baby. I'm not doing anything to you. Stop it. Come here. Come here.
My GPS keeps making a funny squeaking noise.
Блять.
Yes, girl.
Just be nice. I'm finding it.
No, no, no.
Frankie, it's Daddy. Oh my God, that was so cute. I'm gonna.
Alright, Salon, I'll get out with you.
Ya estoy en Córdoba con la miaju. ¿Cómo es, Lili?
Oh shit! Oh my God. Wait, did that just break the monitor?
Who is that, Steve?
Get him, Steve. Get him.
He's very smart. He has a lot of thoughts. He has a lot of thoughts.
Oh my God.
All right, okay.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
So, what have we here?
That's...
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby.
You like your jammies? You like your jammies? Yep.
Look at this idiot.
I'm gonna be home soon, okay?
You.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
You psycho!
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Ow, you did it.
Ready? To use this person for dinner, bro.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Bro, that's hot sauce. What are you doing? How much more of a circle can you be?
Morning. Oh, did you hear that?
Son, are you going to play a tune for us? Hunter, are you hungry?
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Oh shit!
Jeff, are you alive?
That's a manager.
He's a manager.
That's the manager?
Yeah.
Just woke up and it was on. Did you see that? Oh my god! Kitty! Kitty! How's it going, big man? Yeah. Have a good night. Kill it! What are you doing? Kill it!
Hidráulico, pásame la 13, porfa.
What's on your fucking face? Did you drink my chocolate milk?
What are you doing? Oh.
Okay, there we go. There.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Yeah.
Что это? Какой лежит? Ой-ой-ой. Ой!
Jump!
Oh, this is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Bro, this guy has a bag over his head, bro. Come here. Yo!
I'm about to lose it. Why would you do this? Why would you do this?
Bye. Bye.
Hey,